Hello guys, today we're going to be working on this Whirlpool top load washer. The model number it's on the display. Welcome to DIY Repair Now. Read all the warnings, and during this video you will see one or more of these icons to help you do this repair safe. And the complaint that we have is that it's not washing or spinning. So we're going to do the test mode. 1, 2, 3, 4 back, 4 forward, and lights turn on. Then over here is to check air codes. Over here is to automatic test mode, which it will go to all the cycles for a couple seconds just to verify that everything is fine. And this is the one I use the most, or maybe the only one I use because it's more accurate. You can advance all steps on the test. That's when you enter to the mode, and now this is to lock the door. It should be locked. Cold water, hot water, nothing. If everything flashes, it's nothing, 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 nothing. And over here, it's supposed to be draining. Over here is nothing. Now over here is low spin, high spin, low agitation, high agitation. So you can do the test. Low spin, high spin, low agitation, high agitation. So I'm just gonna go forward just to put it on. I like to do it when I get to this point. I like to go all the way to the high agitation and then go from here back, because otherwise it will go to the spin cycle and then you have to wait until the drum stops to go to the next one. So I do it from here back. And then press the start button to start doing the high agitation test. Right now I just press the button and look like I'm pressing it down, but I am not. When it flashes like that, that means it's doing the process to begin. And now you can hear how the motor's trying to agitate, but it's not doing it. It's just humming. Just pressing and hold it for 3 seconds, and then we'll get out of the test mode. At this point, I already have an idea that it could be the motor run capacitor. So we're gonna go ahead and disconnect the washer to avoid electric shock. And we're gonna tilt the washer in the back to be able to reach the bottom. Now we're gonna go ahead and remove .5/16 screw right here. There should be another one right here, which I already have removed. So this is the last one. And just check if everything is fine here. That means nothing is stuck. So the next thing we're gonna check is the capacitor. So remember, disconnect the washer, and now we're gonna disconnect the run capacitor. We're gonna check with a multimeter for microfarads. It's supposed to have 45 microfarads. As you can see, we're gonna get the readings right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and test. And as you see, we are not getting any reading whatsoever, so we need a new run capacitor. This is what we need. Here's a new run capacitor. Now this bracket is a little different, so we're just gonna get this one out of here. And we can go ahead and put this one right here. Please.